What is up, guys? 7:30 in the morning, Super Bowl Sunday. It is 20 below zero right now. We are going to do a cold start on the old Duramax. She's looking a little rough right now. Everything's frozen up. I didn't get a chance to plug it in last night. So, let's see how this goes. Oh. Everything's just rock hard. Oh yeah. Definitely not happy. Now everybody will say, why don't you just plug in your truck? I get a new one every 100,000 miles anyway, so it's covered under warranty if anything happens. But I used to live in Fargo and I did this all the time. Never had an issue. My truck's always started good. I do plug it in if I remember or get the chance to, so. But when I don't, it's interesting to see how well they start in the cold. Definitely start way better in the cold now compared to what they're used to. And people ask me about my power steps. All I gotta say is they freeze up. Freeze up real bad. And then if you got big tires, I got this problem right here too. Sometimes they rub on both sides. But the biggest problem is maybe it would help if I had nut drops, but they freeze up, so it's like they're always stuck down, and then when they're stuck down, it rubs. So that's kind of my biggest issue. But other than that, everything works great. My hand is freezing, by the way. But here, let's go check out. I forgot to do that part. 17 below in here, it says. Uh-oh. Low coolant level. Head gaskets. New engine for free. Now I've had that problem before. I actually had that problem for a while, and it ended up being a sensor, which wasn't covered under warranty, and I replaced that, and now look at that. We got the same problem coming back. So I don't know. Hopefully it's nothing serious. Well, that's pretty much all I know. Hope you guys enjoy watching your Super Bowl today. Have a good party and stay out of this cold, man. It is chilly.